Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a SOAP request and read XML response from a PHP page. Okay, so I'll be showing a real-time XML how you can send the XML request and get the XML response from the server. To demonstrate how you can send an XML request, I have found a website. The website name is service.com. So there are different services available in this website where you can send a SOAP request and get the response. So just click on the services available where you can see a version 2 holiday service 2. Just click on that and you can see a request URL is available here. If you are just clicking on the request URL, you can see what all the services which is available in this website. So these are different services and which is giving different response as per our request. So we'll check two of them. So first one is get countries available. So you can send a request to the get countries available. It will return the countries which is supported. You can send uh, a request for this service, get holidays date or get the holidays available. Actually for this you have to get the country names which we can pass to get available country available holidays of that country. Okay, so you can directly invoke here. If you are just clicking invoke, or it will be sending an http post request with this XML request, and this will be the response. Okay, so we can test this using our web service tester. So I have my web service tester. This web service tester is named as Postman. So I have installed that in as a Chrome app in my Google Chrome. You can get directly search for Postman Chrome, you'll get this link. Just click on that. So I have already installed as an extension, so I can directly launch it from here. Okay, yes, I have just opened the Postman app. So this is how it will be looking like. You can directly install free of course from the Google Chrome. Okay, now going back to our link. So this is our XML request which we have to send. So first we have, what you have to get is we have to get the request URL. So get the request URL. So this is actually the request URL. Okay, copy it and paste it directly here. And now we are going to pass the XML. Just copy the XML completely from here, and we are actually sending a post request in a body type, and it's a raw file. Paste it here, and it's a text or XML file. Okay, now yes, I believe everything is okay, perfect. You can directly send it and you will get the same response here. Okay, you can see the response. This is the same response what we have got here on directly invoking from the website. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can create an XML request using PHP page and read the response directly from the server and view the response in the on the PHP page itself. Okay, yes, now I have installed a simple PHP server in my PC. If you don't have your PHP server installed, you can go to my videos. I have another video how you can set up a simple PHP server in your PC. Okay, now the server in my PC installed is the XAMPP. So we can start the XAMPP server here. Right click, just click on the XAMPP, so it will take you to the control panel of the XAMPP server. So this is the exam control panel. You can start your server just clicking start button here. Okay, now the files which we have to the PHP files we have to keep is in the htdocs folder where you have installed your exam. So I have installed my exam server in C drive exam and inside the htdocs folder. Okay, now if I just going to localhost directly, it will be a page not found. It will be showing, the server will be showing the page not found. Okay, now I'm going to create directly a PHP page here. So I'm writing the file name as index.php. Yes, I have just created the index.php. If you are just refreshing this one, it will be loading that index.php. As it is a blank file, it is showing nothing here. Okay, now I'm going to open this in my notepad++, and I'm just writing my name and just saving and going to localhost. You can see it will load my page directly here. Okay, now I'm going to write the PHP code how we can send the XML request. Okay, now first you have to open the PHP tags, so it will be like PHP and then close it, and inside this we'll write our code. Okay, now first we have to create a soap client object, so it is like this. Okay, soap client, okay, equal to new SCLI client. Okay, inside this you have to put the URL. Okay, yes, so as per our testing, the URL is this one. Just copy it from here and come back and paste it here. Okay, yes, the first step is finished. Now let's go to the server, localhost server, and if I'm just refreshing, you can see there is an error coming. Soap client is not found. Actually, in sometimes in your server you have to manually enable the soap client from the php.ini or php config file. So in my exam server, the php.ini is located inside the exam server. There is an php folder. Inside that there is a php.ini. Just open it and now just search for SOAP. Okay, so just search it. No, wait, search it from the beginning. You can see a term like semicolon exception equal to. So you have to remove this semicolon and save the ini file. Okay, and that's all. We have enabled the soap client. You can just go. So if I'm refreshing it, also it's not getting ready, so just restart your exam server. Okay, just stop it and start, and if I'm just refreshing, you can see now the error coming is uncaught soap client exceptions. Okay, so you have to get a try catch block, so I'm going to create that. So it's like get, and you can have your exception E. It's a $E, and now we can print that message like $E equals, not $E should print get message. Okay, so now it will print all the error or all the exception which is created by the soap client. Okay, now going back to the localhost page, and if you are just refreshing, the exception is already caught and there is no error. Okay, now we have to get the response from this request. Okay, the best part here it is, as there is no parameters, we don't want to set any parameters for this request. You can see the request, there is no certain parameters for this one. We are just calling the method get countries available. Okay, so that's all. We don't want to create an XML like this, and we just can call this get countries available using this soap client. Okay, now first we have to create a response. It's an object, actually response object, where we can call where we can get the response after calling the methods. Okay, so it will be like we can call the soap client here and just call like this. Okay, copy the name of this is the name of the function, just copy it and paste it here, and is the function actually. Okay, yes, we have call we have get the call the get countries available function, and got the response in this variable. Okay, if I'm just refreshing here, there will be nothing because we have not printed the response. Okay, now as it is an for the soap client object, we have to print like this. Okay, var dump, and we can directly print that response like this. Save it and give a semicolon, save it, and you can see it should get me the response in. Oh, we have missed to give an echo, so it will print the error message actually. Okay, so if I'm just refreshing here, you can see an error, soap error passing WSDL. Okay, pretty end of that. Okay, so if this error is coming, what you have to do is just add a WSDL extension here. Okay, now save it. Now going back to the local host and just refreshing the page, you can see the response is printed here, but it's of the form an object, so it's not actually the XML response coming. So this will be your, so this will be the format where the soap client response, if we are printing directly using a word dump file, word dump keyword. We cannot print it directly with echo because it's not an string value, it's an object value. Okay, now to get this in a proper formatted way, you have to convert this into a PHP array. So I'm going to convert that into a PHP array. So first we'll give a breakpoint here so we can identify correctly. Okay, so down here we are going to convert this response. I have written two line of code to convert the response into a PHP array. Okay, now going back to our local host page, if I'm just refreshing this one, you can see the PHP I mean the response has been converted into an array. We'll add two breakpoints, okay, so that we can see that in perfect way. We can see this is the array format of this response which we have got from the soap client. Okay, now there is a easy way to get a specific value from this array. So okay, to do that, just copy this complete array from here and just search in Google PHP array format online. Okay, so if you are just searching this one, you will get a website, this one Philip what is that, Philip hp.com, like that. Just click on that and you will get a page like this, where you can just paste your complete array and just click on beautify and serialize. Once you click it, you will get a serialized version of that PHP array. Okay, so now you want to get a specific value, this specific value. Okay, just click on that, you will get how you can get that specific value. Copy it from here and go back to our page, and now just give an echo tag for this one, so it will be printed that specific value. Okay, now I'm going to give a breakpoint here also. If I'm just going back and just refreshing here, you can see, oops, there is an error. Yeah, it's not actually data, it should be array. Paste it here, refresh. You can see I have got that specific value. Okay, you can get specific value from you can just refer to this, you can get all the specific value whatever you want. Okay, now if you're just clicking this one, it will I'm not sure it will print or not. Let's try. I'm going to paste completely here, and this is actually array. Paste it here and just refresh the local host. It will be printing, yes, it will be just printing array only. To get the last value, I mean to the endpoint, you have to get that endpoint directly from here. Okay, copy it and paste it here, and this will be an array. Okay, yes, that's all. You can just refresh it and get the value directly from here. Okay, so to iterate this one as an array, I will write the code that one also here, so it will be easier for you. So give an echo breakpoint again to get that and down. So let me write the code here to print a proper array. Okay, yes, I have just written a for each loop to iterate this particular response completely and view that in this page. Okay, if I'm just refreshing this one, you can see the complete array format in a formatted way is shown in the page. Okay, yes, hope you got this. I have shown you how you can send an XML, I mean a SOAP request, and call a function without any parameter setting. Okay, so further I'm going to create one more page. So index 1.php, no, I'll copy paste the same page. I have created a copy of same page, so let's go, and this is the same value, so I can go to that page as index1.php. okay, so this is same. Now we are going to call a method which is actually needed a parameter. So in the second one, get holidays available, I think we have to pass the yeah, we have to pass the country code. Okay, now we have got the country code here, so I'm going to pass this country code Scotland into this one and invoke where is that, Scotland. Okay, and I'm going to invoke this. You can see all the holidays available for that country is coming. Okay, so basically we are passing a XML request with the country code specified. Okay, let's see, let's go back to our Postman and create that request here. Okay, so our this will be our link, copy it and paste it here, and it's a post request, and in the body as a raw format we are passing text or HTML. Okay, and I'm going to copy this complete XML from here and paste it right here, and we are going to select any of the state. I'm going to select United States only and just send it, and let's see what is the response come. You can see the response with all the holidays is coming here. Okay, now we are going to send an XML, I mean a SOAP request or XML request with setting in parameters United States, and read the response same way which we have done for this one. Okay, yes, so this is the index1.php. So we are going to try the next web service. The next web service is the get holidays available. So it's having the parameter country code. Okay, so to set a parameter country code, what we have to do is we have to declare a variable here. So I'm declaring a variable as param, so it should be inside an array, and it's like declared like this. Okay, so we have to set the parameter name is country code, so set it here, and we are going to pass Scotland. Okay, so set it here, and we are going to call the method get holidays available. So this is get holidays available, and pass these parameters inside that. Okay, that's all, we have finished, and we can go to the localhost index1.php, and if I am just refreshing that, you can see the result. Let's see. Oops, there is an exception here, so let me check what is the error. Yeah, actually we did not set the country code. Just copy it, country code, and paste it. Country code is Scotland, copy it perfectly. Oops, what's happening? I'll copy from here, so paste it here, and now let's open the index1.php again. Let's see what is output coming. Yes, you can see the old array for the country Scotland is came here. Yeah, this will be not coming because that particular object may not be available. You can see, so it's a diamond jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II. Let's see what's came here. It's also same diamond jubilee of Queen Elizabeth 2012. So to get one of these, you can directly copy the array from here to the website I have shown here. Let me refresh and reset everything and click on beautify and serialize, and you will get the same way which we have got the previously. So I'm going to copy this particular description and paste it here, so we can get this that particular code. Okay, so I'm showing this just for demonstration, and if I'm just going to index1.php and refreshing, you can see it's getting printed here. Okay, so hope you got this. I have selected to pass one variable only, so there is one more I'm going to select a service with two variables which we had to pass. The first one is country code and second one is year. So I'm going to, let's try same thing. We can pass year, so copy the uh, variable name, and it is passed like this. If there is two variables, it is like this. Okay, and the variable is year. I'm going to say 2018. Okay, and the service name is get holidays for year. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, and this won't work. Yes, that's all. And now let's check what is index1 dot php showing. Yes, you can see all we have set two methods, I mean two parameters, and this is the response of that. Okay, so hope you got is how you can send a SOAP request or an XML request with without parameters, with one parameter, and with two parameters, and we got the response from the server, and we can pass that and get a particular value which we want, and we can have that array completely here. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll be helping you, and I'll share all the source code in my description. You can have it, and please like and subscribe for my videos, and thanks for watching.